Hi guys, this is Will from Will's Automotive channel. I'm filming today how to replace a power steering reservoir on a VE Commodore. There you go, right there. As you can see, my one is bloody snapped off. Not good, not good. So I'll have to pull it out, so I'll film it for you. I'll get back to you in a second. These here are the tools and parts you're going to need. So you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, mid-size. Going to need pointy nose pliers in my case, because the nozzle where it connects the hose onto the reservoir snapped. Going to need the power steering reservoir, and you're going to need a litre of Penrite full synthetic ATF LV auto trans fluid, which is also power steering fluid. I'll just open the box to show you if I can do it with one hand. Damn, I'm going to put you down for a second. Okay, just open the box, and this here is what is in it. Does not look like the picture's a bit confusing, but this is what's in it. And that's the litre of auto trans fluid / power steering fluid we're going to use. And I'll take you up to the top to show you how to take off the parts. Alright, so first off, you want to grab this, and because it's on this I'll have to use two hands, but it's loose because it's broken off. Oh, my finger. And then I'll have to, oh, maybe this one's a bit big, but that doesn't matter. I'll just unscrew this, unscrew it as far as I can, or until it gets loose, and pull it back. See if I can pull it back. I'll just put you down for a second. Still, I need to loosen a bit more. There we go. I pulled it back with two hands because I can't use one hand. I need to get a thing to hold it with. So I pulled it back with two fingers. Now what I have to do, I have to get my long nose pliers. And I don't think I'll be able to show you this because it'll be hard, but I have to, damn, the camera's bad. Oh, I don't know. I have to pull that out of there, so I'll get back to you when I get that out, because I cannot film while doing this. This here is what I pulled out, the snapped off connector part. Now I just need to take the other one off. That one's not snapped. Oh, it's stuck. Oh no, not good. Yes, so now I need to take this off, and it looks like it is, this one here is a fucking Phillips head. So I got a small Phillips head here. I'll use that. I'll show you if I can. I'll use that to unscrew like this. One hand's so shiny. Oh, I actually forgot to hold it. Doesn't matter. Oh, here we go. Got to hold it. Oh my god, the flies are buggering my legs. Can't do it looking through the camera. Okay, I have to pause it. I have got it off. I unscrewed it. I just pulled it off. You have to pull pretty hard. You have to like move it like that and then pull it, and do that while pulling it. Yeah. Now to get this off, if you can see, I don't remember how, but I'll have to use my eyes. Oh, can't see very well. I'll just try and pull it out. I know how it goes in. Oh, frozen. Damn, sorry for that. I just smacked you with the reservoir. Oh, and then it goes in here. Just there, it goes in just there. Clips into that bit. That's why it's so hard. Oh, I remember why I failed at that. Because I have to push the bloody button back. I have to push this back with a screwdriver. How stupid of me. Well, let's get the new one. As you can see, all the same. Just slot it in there like that, and now it's in. As you hear, you clicked, it's in. It's a bit loose, I know. Easy thing, just stick these back on here. Just have to be a bit more careful with it because those things are way too long. There we go. One of them's on, I just need to tighten it. Put the other one on. Oh, I'm looking through my phone, I can't do that. There we go, other one's on. Now I'll just bring this over here and I'll tighten them. I'll come back to you after I tighten them because it's pretty simple. You just tighten them, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Now I've tightened them, but you don't want to tighten them too much because I have a feeling that's why it kept bursting this, because I tightened it too much. Now I have to fill it up in here to the max line for cold. Then I have to run it and check it. All good. I'll show you how to do that. So you push down the lid and twist, and then it should just pull out like that. As you can see, pulls out, simple. Then you get your Penrite bloody auto trans fluid. Pretty good. Penrite's my favourite. Just going to put you down for a second. Open the can of Penrite, or not the can, the bottle. Oh, not good. I need to get it's got a small seal, damn. It's got a small seal here. I'm going to have to pierce it just a little bit. Damn it, I shouldn't be doing it like that. Damn, I'm going to break something. There we go. Pierced, all good. Then I pour it in here. Oh shit, a little bit went everywhere. It's not that good, but that doesn't really matter. It's nowhere near it, so I have to keep going. I'll get back to you when it's full. Okay guys, it's at the max line of the first of the cold one. I spilt a bit, as you can see, but I've got clean-up stuff for that. Now I need to put the cap back on and start the car once I take the tools off the front of it. Oh, okay, so I'll start the car and then I'll get back to you. All good. Let's see if it starts for the first time in bloody maybe half a year or more. I don't know, I think it's been half a year. Let's see. Put it in neutral. Put on the brake. I had the wrong keys in my hand. Got my sv6 keys. Start it, let's see. Damn! Missed timing chance, that did not sound good. Oh, it started pretty good. Sounds pretty good, don't you reckon? Yeah. It's a cold start for you. Little treat. Sounds like it needs a bit of a timing chain. So as you can see, it's gone way down there. So now I need to go in there and fill it up, I think, while it's running. All good. I'll be back. Alright, so now I'm back. I'm going to take this off, let the pressure out. As you can see, it's not pumping much at all. So I'm going to need to put more in. Oh damn, what's that? Something's running kind of hot. Maybe it's burning the oils off. Yeah, it's burning the oils off the engine. As you can see, it's burning all the oil off the bloody engine. I'll fill up to minimum on this bit. As you can see, it is now at the minimum on there. So I'll put the lid back on and I'll let it sit. There we go. Now I just let it sit and hopefully it pumps through all good. I'll get back to you soon. Look at all the bloody steam or smoke or whatever that is. Bloody burning the oil off the side of the engine when it blew. I'm back, sorry, I just wanted to ask a question of you guys. If anybody knows, I hit a deer in this car and they put a VF front bumper on it, like a front crash bar, but they didn't put the VF bloody radiator in. I want to know bloody, because the mounting kit I got for it only mounts to the VF radiator, I think. I don't know where to mount that to, and I've looked all over here, under here to find out, even took it off, but I can't find a spot to mount it. Oh shit, it's about to die, it sounds like. Bloody hell. Doesn't sound very good. How much fuel's in it? The fuel's probably pretty bad as well. It's been sitting for months and it's got not much fuel. Not much fuel. What's it? What was I talking about? Damn, that's a lot of smoke. What was I talking about? What's it? Oh, I don't know, I forgot. Oh yeah, I want to know if the VF radiators, not radiators, the VF OTRs mount up to these holes here. I wanted to know, just so that maybe I could fucking get a VF OTR so I could actually tie it down. Unless you guys know how to mount the KAI ones or CAI ones. But yeah, I've got the CAI ones specifically for VEs that have the front end crash. But it's like, hey, not happening, just kidding. Doesn't mount. So yeah, that kind of sucks. It's blowing a lot of bloody steam and it sounds like it needs a timing chain. But I've got a spare timing chain up in my house. It's looking all good for now. I'll check the temperature of the engine. Alright, so I've checked the steering. Doesn't feel like shit. Feels pretty good. Yeah, feels pretty good. Got the aftermarket headlights, but the actual headlight itself isn't bloody working. The Mars ones from, what's it? I'm not sure where they're from, but the Mars ones, the LED Mars ones. But I can't figure out how to get the wires out from down there, you know, because there's a grommet that blocks all that shit from getting out. Well, I could cut the wires and add new bloody wiring and simple bloody connectors, but my dad says no. So do you guys have any ideas on how I can get the globe out to replace it? And thank you for watching. Sorry for the bloody ranting today. I'll give you a quick rev before I go, because I don't want to leave you guys hanging. You got a start up, so you might as well get a rev. Yeah, bruh, sounds awesome. Thanks for watching. I'm having fun. Thanks.